Hi everyone, my name is Gabby. I'm a product consultant at ESL, a platinum partner of Monday.com, and today I'm going to introduce you to SubLift, an app that seamlessly aggregates sub-items data into their parent item quickly and effortlessly. So to get started, let's head over to the marketplace, and in the search bar, type SubLift. Once you find it, install the app. Since I already have it installed, let's jump right in. Here on our board, we manage inventory and tracking stock orders. Now, each order has multiple deliveries, and you have to stay on top of things like how much stock has arrived, what's missing, and which deliveries are delayed. The problem is that right now all of that info lives in the sub-items, which means you have to manually check each one to get the full picture, and that's where a SubLift comes in. So let's go to integrations. We'll type in SubLift. We'll choose the first recipe. Now I'm going to create here a recipe that will reflect in the parent item the latest date the delivery should be sent out. We'll choose the sub-item column date. Once this column is updated, it will trigger the automation and aggregate all the data from the sub-item column date and apply the latest date to the column final delivery date in the parent item. Let's create the automation. So the first delivery will be sent out on the 7th, the second delivery will be sent out on the 12th, and the third delivery will be sent out on the 20th. Now we can see the automation is in action and the parent item has been updated to March 20th, which is the final delivery date. Now let's go create another recipe for the quantity received. We'll type in SubLift. And we'll choose the first recipe. Now I'm going to create a second recipe that will reflect the overall quantity that has been received from the order. When the sub-item quantity received column is updated, it will trigger the automation and aggregate all the data from the sub-item's quantity received column and apply its sum to the column quantity received in the parent item. Create the automation. We'll exit this window. Here we'll do 40, for here 52 and 17. And again, we can see the automation is running and the parent item has been updated to reflect the quantity received, which is 92. We'll do one more recipe for the status column. Let's go back to integrations. SubLift. We'll choose this recipe. This recipe will be to reflect how many deliveries in total are stuck. So we'll choose a sub-item status, X of Y. We'll do stuck. Text, create automation. Exit the window. And if I have here, this is done, this one is working on it, and the third delivery will be stuck. So we can see in the text column that 1 out of 3 are stuck. So with SubLift, you can easily track your data at a glance and make sure everything stays organized and up to date. Happy SubLifting, everyone.